Good morning, P2 students. Today is Tuesday and it's the 9th of June 2020. So our learning target today is I can review the symbols used in making circuit and also I can understand what is motor means. So again, let's read it all together. Are you ready? Very good. So our learning target today is learning target. I can review the symbols used in making circuit and I can understand what is motor means. So in your assignment yesterday, teacher sent you the symbols, right? And then you are going to answer or identify what are those symbols. Okay. So here are the symbols. But what symbol is the X one? The M one. How about this? Like a letter T and like there's small line here. How about this one? Looks like glasses. And the other one looks like a flashlight, right? Okay. So here, for this sign, it's a bulb. How about this? Like M. The M sign stands for motor. How about this one? Like a letter T and with a small hammer on the other side. It's the battery. And how about this? Looks like a glasses. This one is open circuit. It means that when the switch, when the switch is off, it looks like this, right? It's off because there is a gap, right? The circuit cannot, the electricity cannot go through because there's a gap, there's open, it's not closed, right? And how about this one? Looks like a small flashlight. Or yeah, small flashlight is the buzzer. Buzzers are things that make sound or noise, like doorbell. What else? Like alarm clock. Bing! So motor are things that will help objects move. Okay, so later teacher will show you what are objects that uses motor in order for it to move or to spin. Right, so the clue here, the word is move for motor, move and spin. So again, these are the words, the buzzer. Okay, everybody, let's read. Buzzer, very good. Battery, very good. Switch, very good. Motor, very good. Bulb, very good. So now let's go to our next slide. For our next slide, we have the symbols and the pictures. So this is, what's this again? Bulb. So this is the picture of a bulb. How about this one? What picture is this? This is a motor. So the symbol for motor is like M. How about the battery? Battery is like letter T with a small hammer in it. And this is the switch, right? Switch. And how about this one? This is the buzzer. All right, so again, this is the bulb. This is the motor. This is the battery. This is the switch. And this is the, what's this again? Buzzer. Very good, so buzzer is here. Okay, so here is another review the symbol. So again, this is another symbol for battery, the wire, the bulb, X, buzzer is like a small flashlight, motor is M, and this one is for switch. So for if the switch is off, like this, goes up. But if the switch is on, it means it looks like glasses connected to each other. There is no gap to it, right? So again, let's read battery. Battery, very good. Wire, very good. Bulb, very good. Buzzer, Buzzer, very good. Motor, motor, very good. Switch off, switch off. When the switch is off, it's not connected, it's like this, right? There's a gap. Switch off, very good. Switch on, switch on, connected. Switch on, switch off, switch on. Good job. All right, next. So this one is a review about circuit. So this page, you can look it up on your learner's book, page 53. So what is a circuit again? A circuit is a complete path that the electricity can flow around. So again, if the switch is off, it means there's a gap. So the light will not work. If the switch is on, the light will light up, or it will work. So this is a working circuit. This working circuit makes a loop, circle. Electricity comes out of the cell at the negative side. So here is the negative side. So the electricity will go from here and then go to the wire. It moves around the loop in the metal part of the wire. So again, this is the wire, and as you can see yesterday when I showed you how to make circuit, you just cut the plastic part or the rubber part and make sure you don't cut the wire or the metal part. So again, the electricity will come out from the negative side of the battery. It goes into it will go to the loop, like this loop, go to the metal part of the wire, and then from here, and it goes round and round to the positive, and then again and again, right? So it moved around the loop in the metal part of the wire, then it goes back into the cell at the positive end. Okay, so now let's go to our next slide. So here, this is a motor looks like. So this again, our objective today, one of our objectives today is we are going to understand what motor is. So motor, there are two words or clues that can help you remember what is motor. So a motor first, it can help things move and spin. So if something that needs to spin and needs to move with the help of electricity, they use what? Motor. So what is a motor? An object that uses electricity to make it move. Right? So just showing this one. Cannot move this. Okay, so a motor is something that uses electricity to make something move or to make something spin. Okay. Next. So here is, if you look at a motor, this is the parts of the motor, but we will not really go through it because it's more advanced, and I'm just gonna show you what's inside a motor, okay? So here, this is the inside of the motor that we see, like this one. Inside this one are this. So this is the shaft, this one, and these are the bearings, the end bracket, the frame, the cover, the stator, commutator, the brush, and the armature. Sorry, excuse me. So this one is only a bigger picture of a motor. So again, this is the shaft. This is where you connect things. Like I've showed you this yesterday. Like this is a small fan. So this one inside is a motor and then connected to the wings or arms of the fan. So it will move and it will spin. So these are the parts. So again, we will not go through it, but I just want to show you what are the parts of the motor. So even the motor has a cooling fan to make it not hot, right? The shaft, the stator winding, the air gap, armature winding, commutator, cooling fan, carbon brushes, and what else? And we have two more, but it's covered. Okay, let's wait for a minute. All right. So again, similar with this, the frame, right? The bracket. Okay. So now let's go to the last slide. So examples, these are the examples of things that needs motor to move and to spin. So this is a blender. This one is a mixer to when you want to make, if you want to bake some cake, you can put all the flours and other ingredients here. And also a car. Inside the car there is a machine here, a motor that helps it move. All right, so that will be all for today. For your assignment, teacher will post it on the Google documents. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for listening. And since you're doing very good, so this is your sticker of the day. Thank you. Goodbye.